What's up, people? Grant and Jaylen here. We got Ty and Mama. We're getting ready to do the 1 minute Rubik's Cube challenge. We're going to take this 3x3 Rubik's Cube and mix it up. We're going to give Jaylen 1 minute or 60 seconds to solve it. Sound like a good plan, Jay? Let's roll. Here we go. We're mixing it up, guys. No algorithms here. Just cubes. I'm gonna mix it behind my back. All right, let's set it down. Look, All right, Jaylen's back. We're ready to start the 1 minute Rubik's Cube challenge. Ready? Go. How are we doing on time over there, T?
35 seconds.
Dang it. A little bit of pressure in the room here. Let's see if Boy Genius has got it in him. Looks like he's got one side almost completely solved. Quit looking at the time and solve the cube.
Time's up.
Keep going. Minute 40 seconds for the challenge. How do you feel about that, Jaylen Wildman?
It's okay.
It's okay. Look at this Rubik's Cube. Boy Wonder.
Tell us what your best is, Jaylen.
Minute 10.
Minute 10.